So it's the 2018-2019 bowling season for both Zeeland East and Zeeland West High School. I decided to go down to the bowling lanes to see what is happening with the team this year.
I think building relationships, probably letting the guys that really want to learn how to bowl, making sure that the guys and girls become better people as well as better bowlers, and just watching everybody grow as a person and as a bowler to get better.
So what I'm looking forward to is getting to know everyone and, bowling these tournaments, getting out there, getting our name known as Zeeland High School, and just having fun with them.
I think it's a great sport for guys and girls to get out of the home or house in the wintertime where most people are sitting around. It gives a chance for somebody that can't play a contact sport because of concussions or other injuries to bowl. And most people, they have any hand-eye coordination, they can bowl. So it's good.
Bowling is very competitive. You can go off and bowl in college and get scholarship for it. I think people should really do bowling because, one, it's fun. It's a lot more of a mental game than what it is a physical game. So it's just kind of fun to do.